Consistently profitable trading is not about luck or guessing. It's about cultivating the right habits. Over my 5-year trading journey, I've discovered 7 crucial habits that have transformed my approach and results in the market. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. The primary reason traders lose money is due to emotional decision-making. Successful traders like Paul Tudor Jones and George Soros don't rely on gut feelings. They use a set of predefined rules. By adopting a mechanical trading system, you eliminate emotions from your trades. This system should include specific entry criteria, clearly defined exit rules, comprehensive risk management, and a structured daily routine. These components ensure you trade based on logic rather than emotions, leading to consistent actions and results. Your actions outside of trading hours significantly influence your success. My pre-market routine starts an hour before the London session opens. During this time, I analyze the market structure and mark points of interest. This preparation helps me stay focused and unemotional when the market opens. Post-market, I journal my trades to learn from mistakes and reinforce good habits. Regularly reviewing trades on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis helps identify patterns and areas for improvement, allowing for continuous growth and better performance. It's not just about making money, but also about keeping it. Many young traders waste their profits on luxury items to impress others. Instead, prioritize taking care of your family and reinvest profits into your trading. Avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters. Spending your profits wisely ensures long-term financial stability and success. The best investment is in yourself. Spend money on courses and masterminds to improve your trading and entrepreneurial skills. The market is constantly evolving, and you must stay ahead by continually learning and adapting. Investing in your education is crucial for staying competitive and enhancing your trading performance. Treat yourself like a professional athlete. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, meditation, and quality sleep are vital for maintaining peak mental and physical condition. These habits enhance your focus and decision-making abilities, directly impacting your trading performance. A healthy lifestyle supports sustained success in trading by keeping your mind sharp and your body energized. Never stop learning. The market will humble you if you become complacent. Always seek new knowledge and strive to improve. This mindset will help you adapt to market changes and maintain your edge. Lifelong learning is essential for staying relevant and successful in the ever-changing world of trading. Every trade is a vote for the type of trader you want to be. Stick to your trading plan and mechanical rules. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Consistency in your actions will lead to consistent results and profits. By taking high-quality trades that align with your plan, you reinforce good trading habits and increase your chances of long-term success. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you can achieve consistent profitability in trading. Stay disciplined, continually learn, and always strive for improvement. These 7 rules are the foundation for mastering Forex trading and building a successful trading career. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.